Monday, November 29th. It's definitely not what you trade, it's how you trade. We're looking at a few tickers here today. We got NRXP and PTPI. ISPC is also doing some, ISPC did an offering. Look at this offering at 3 in the morning. And people are trying to buy up this dip, so I'm not sure what's going on there. PTPI is kind of doing this is where we already took a loss this morning, but we'll see. It's kind of hanging around above the VWAP, and then we've got NRXP. I'm hoping for this little bit of a double bottom, and we're going to take it at the break of VWAP the next time around. So patience, patience, patience. Yeah, so there's your PTPI there. Major indecision, 7.5% drawdown, tails on both ends. So this thing was violent. See the indecision? It came down, indecision, and then it was like, we got to get down to VWAP, right? You got it. I don't know, man. Don't hang around too long. Looks like our little double bottom plan might be working. We have to wait and see and be patient again. Be patient for the break here. Interesting how it's lining up with this. It's interesting how it's lining up. So you got to be extremely quick, right? I was noticing this consolidation range here. It was just kind of tight. Now, if we'd have taken it, see, we would have been friggin' wrong. But I mean, look at the break that it pushed there. It just just had that push. Not very much, 1.6%. 934 is where we were looking. So again, when it comes back around to this might be the spot. Maybe not though. So this is BFRI. Look at, isn't that interesting how it's taking really good support here on the VWAP? Huh, that's interesting. Sometimes, our little plan didn't work here for NRXP, but here's this ISPC, which was the offering, and this is what I'm saying. People are like, buy the dip on the offering, and I'm floored. PTPI. A lot of the times this doesn't make a lot of sense. Like, it just, I don't know. It's hard to squeeze a nickel out of I don't even know what, out of a rhino's ass. It's a lot harder job than you think. Yeah, so this is the ISPC, but there's your double flag break in high resolution there. This kind of happens. It kind of happens. So, like, you take the order and then you get locked into another flag, like, almost instantly. It's really interesting because when this one breaks, it'll actually push pretty far. Either way, it'll push either down or it'll push up, which way it's intending to go, right? So there's the up push. Let's see if it breaks this flag completely. Yeah, and look at, here it goes. So be aware of the double flag break. I know it doesn't look like anything here. Yeah, this is what it looks like. The double flag break. A lot of wicks. A lot of wicks on a small body. See the wick on a small body? That's actually the flag right there. You can only see it with this high detail. We'll see if this double flag break works. We're extended now for sure. It's up there. Here's the halt line. $17.65. Do we have other levels up here? Yeah, look. There's all kinds of stuff up here to hit. You can go to a one-day chart. I know that's hard when that happens. I mean, the one-day chart's just blue skies, right? So if you're in at any point, if you're in any point from 2 days ago, which would have been Thursday, it's all blue skies. You've only got how many bag holders now? Do you see? We can actually measure the volume on the bag holders. Let's do that, actually. Let's try and measure that volume on these bag holders. 29 million. 29 million shares rotated hands. So, yeah, it's hard to know how many people actually are bag holding, but 29 million shares traded hands above our price right now. So, let's just estimate, say 15 million shares at $20 or $22 or $24. I guess the average here would be like $22. 15 million, $22 has to be shucking out before it's like completely blue skies. It's just one way to think about it. Fuck. Pushing pretty good now. Shit, I missed it. You know, realistically, we should have some of these bag holders just happy as hell to get out. Look, there's the halt line. We should have some bag holders, you know, like I said, up in here. They're just so happy to get out unless they added to their position, which this whole thing's a cowboy thing, right? Like you buy, you're wrong, you add. I don't know. It's a tough thing. Yeah, this video is getting long as well. So just another disappointing day. See, look at BFRI. Look at it. It ran out of nowhere. Look at this power drop right on the open. 24% down right before the open. And then look at this jump up. What would it indicate that this was going to jump up other than this little bit of increase of volume? Anyway, it's taking support here, but I'm just saying, another disappointing day. This one here seems to PTPI. This is the one we took a loss on this morning, but it's actually kind of taking support here. So realistically, if it looks like it's breaking 409, it might do something, which it's doing right now. ISPC halted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. I don't think it's taking support here in the right place, but it's blue skies from here. And NRXP is just going to do a rolling bottom. I don't know if it's going to get anything done. But anyway, like, subscribe, share. Like I said, this is getting a little bit too long. And it's really, to be honest with you guys, man, it is so what you trade, how you trade. No, it's how you trade. It's how you trade.